Good morning, sir.
Good morning. You were able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We had discussed first question. I had given a few of the question as a homework. Hopefully you have done that.
Yes, sir.
You can check your answer. The answer for the question 2. There were 3 numbers given and we need to add them. You can check the answer. It is 7810,100. 78,000. Sorry, 78 lakh 10,100.
Yes, sir.
Hope we all have got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Question 3. It was also related to addition. The answer we get is 75 lakh 98,724.
आणि पोरं आता तर 30 जॉईन झालं.
Harsh, did you solve the fourth question? At least tried the fourth question.
Yes, sir.
The answer is this: 10 crore 81 lakh 30,508.
8.
And there was a word problem also. Here we need to find the total number of people visited. We need to add them and we get it as 5,18,250.
250. Yes, sir.
Sir, what was the answer of first question?
Sir, we all done this.
You all have done this. You can just see the answers. Probably you
Yes,
have got the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Now we need to discuss from second question onwards. In this question, we need to find out the missing digit. We know addition. With the help of addition of digits, we have to identify the missing digit here. Here with 4, something should be added to get 7. And we know that 3 should be added.
3.
So we get 7 here. Here we have to get the result as 6.
5,
1
sir.
is there here.
5.
5 has to be
5,
added.
sir. 5,
Here
sir. 5, sir.
8 plus 0 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. So these are the missing numbers.
Yes, sir.
3, sir.
0, sir.
Now look at the second sub question here. 7 plus 3, actually it is 10. 0 is written here. So 1 is written as a carry. So 1 added to 2 is 3. 3 plus something should be 7. It has to be 4. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1 is carried forward here. Here 1 is there. It means that it's a number larger than 10. It has to be 11. Here 8 is the sum. Upon adding 3 to 8, we get 11. 1 carried forward. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 added to 2 must be 7. So it is 2, 3, 4. These are the missing digits. In this third one, 2 should be added to 1. Then the result is 3. 2 added to which number? We get 1 here. Actually, it has to be 11. So we need to add 9 to this. So when 11 is there, 1 is carried forward here. 4 plus something should be obtained here. So 1 is already carried forward. Let me erase that. Now you see, it has to be 6. 6 plus 4 or 5. Here 2 plus 9 is 11, 1 is carried forward, so this has to be 5. So if 5 is considered, here 0 is written, it means that 1 is carried forward. So 1 plus 3 is 4, so 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 should be added to 1, then the result is 9. So these are the missing digits. Now we have few questions which are related to subtraction. In subtraction, it's very important that a smaller number, when subtracted from a larger number, we get the positive value. Each time we subtract a smaller number from the larger number. Here, this particular number has to be subtracted from this number. The number which is getting subtracted is called as a subtrahend, and the number from which it is getting subtracted, it is called as a minuend. So here a subtrahend should be always written below the minuend. Here subtraction of 2 from 9 is not difficult, 7 from 5 is not difficult, but subtracting 6 from 5 is not possible. So we have to follow a procedure. We make this as 15 by taking 1 from this 4. This becomes 13. Here this becomes 15. This becomes 12. And this becomes 7. Because from this 8, 1 is taken from here, means 10 is taken from here. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. 15 minus 6 is 9. 13 minus 8 is 5. 15 minus 7 is 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. 7 minus 2 is 5. Shivanand Patil had given a right answer. Vinny Daksha, right answer. Vinay Biradar, you got confused and you said this as 6. Actually, 6 is missing. 6 is not correct. When 13 minus 8 is done, we get 5. So when subtraction is done, we have to follow this procedure. If a larger digit is subtracted from a smaller digit, we have to take carry. Now I'll give this question. You can try this and tell the result. Here 0 minus 9 is not possible. So it has to be 10 minus 9. So this becomes 10 minus 9. Here 1 is given to 0. So 1 will be remaining here. 1 minus 9 is also not possible. It becomes 11 minus 9. This will be 15. This will be 14. This will be 9. Here this will be 1. So 10 minus 9 will be 1. 11 minus 9 is 2. 15 minus 7 is 8. 14 minus 6 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the result is 1,28,821. Most of you have given correct answer. Very good. Here we have a third question. When you know the subtraction properly, you can go ahead solving directly. 9 minus 8 will be 1. 8 minus 5 will be 3. 7 minus 6 will be 1. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 4 minus 1 will be 3. 6 minus 2 will be 4. 5 minus 3 will be 2. You can check the answer. It is 243131. Yes, Prudvi, Rohit, Vinny, Kumar. Good. Correct answers. Now I'll give little time for this. You please solve it. Subtract 65248907 from 86165281. You don't take calculator and then subtract. Please do it manually. Yes, Suprita has given answer first, then followed by Vinny Diksha. I'm seeing different answers here. Yes, let me tell the answer. 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 minus 9 is not possible, so it has to be 12 minus 9, which is 3. Here already 1 is given, so 4 will be remaining. 14 minus 8 is 6. Here 1 is given, so 5 will be remaining. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 9 is not possible, so 11 minus 9 is 9. So 11 minus 2 is 9. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. So we get 20916381. Most of you are right. Only 2 of you have given a different answer. So don't get confused. Now if the question is like this, find the number that is 30,000 less than this number. How do we solve? Is it a question related to subtraction or it's a question related to addition? It has to be a question related to subtraction. So how do we find? We need to subtract this 30,000 from this number. Whatever the number we get, that will be the answer. Here we have to do 183645800, and we have to write below 30,000. Then you have to subtract. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 0 is 8, 5 minus 0 is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1. Then the rest of the digits will remain same. So it will be 183615800. This will be the number. Similar way, we need to find out in the second case. We have to write this number 483625900 on the top. Below that, we have to write this 000. How many zeros are there? There are 5 zeros followed by 2, 1. Okay. Now you subtract 00952. Now 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. 8, 4. So the number we obtain is 482425900. Yes, most of you have given the right answer. Shivanand, Harsh, Prudvi, Brunal, Vinay, Ravi Ranjan. Very good. Now we have a question which is multiplication, but it's not a direct multiplication. Here, this particular number has to be multiplied by 4 by expansion method. You should know what is the meaning of expansion. We all know the place values and the face values. When this particular number 2345081 is expanded, we get it as 1 multiplied to 1 plus 8 multiplied to 10 plus 0 multiplied to 100 plus 5 is multiplied to 1000 plus 4 is multiplied to 10,000. Then there's a continuation plus 3 is multiplied to 1 lakh plus 2 is multiplied to 10 lakh. So here this 2 is there in the 10 lakh place. Units place, units place is also called as ones place, tens place, hundreds, thousands, the 10,000s, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. So 2 is multiplied to 10 lakh. The place value of 2 is 20 lakh. So here this expansion has to be multiplied by 4. This is how we multiply. Now this 4 has to be distributed to all these numbers because of distributive property. So 4 is multiplied to 1, we get 4. 4 multiplied to 8, we get as 32. This 0 multiplied to 4 is 0. 5 multiplied to 4 is 20. 4 multiplied to 4 is 16. 3 multiplied to 4 is 12. 2 multiplied to 4 is 8. So when 2 is multiplied to 4, we get 8 multiplied to 10 lakh plus 3 multiplied to 4 is 12. So 12 has to be multiplied to 1 lakh plus 16 has to be multiplied to 10,000 plus 5 multiplied to 4 is 20. So 20 to be multiplied to 1000 plus this can be neglected or this can be omitted because 0 when adding with the numbers we get the same number. So I'll leave that. 4 multiplied to 8 is 32. So 32 multiplied to 10 plus 1 multiplied to 4 is 4. So 4 times of 1. So whatever the numbers we get, that we have to add. Here 80 lakh, 80 lakh to be added to 12 multiplied to 1 lakh, it will be 12 lakh. Then it is 1,60,000 plus 20,000 plus 320 plus 4. These are the numbers which we need to add and we get it as 9380324. We have to add the respective places. We get this. So it is that simple. In the expansion method, we should know how to expand it first. Then we need to multiply each of the terms with the multiplicand. Here we have question. They have not given that we need to expand and multiply. We need to multiply them in the usual method. What is that usual method? First we will multiply 9 with these digits. Then we multiply 8 with these digits. Then we multiply 2 with these digits. Then we are going to add. This we have learned in class 5. I'll write here 6285 into 289. Now 9 has to be multiplied to all the digits. When 9 is multiplied to 5, we get 45. So 4 is carried forward. 9 multiplied to 8. 9 eights are 72. 72 plus 4 is 76. So 7. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. Carried forward. 9 6 are 54. Plus 2 is 56. Now we have to leave a blank here. Then whatever the digits we get, that has to be written here. Is that clear? Now multiply this particular 8 with these digits. What do we get? 6285 multiplied to 8. What will be the answer? Yes, in the chat box you can type. It is not that difficult. 0, 8, 2, 0, 5. Now, when 2 is multiplied to these numbers, we have to leave 2 blanks here. Then we need to multiply 2. 2 5 times is 10. Yes, in the chat box you can write. We get 12570. Now the addition has to be done. 5 added to here, there is no numbers. 5 should be written. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 8 is 13. 1 is carried forward. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 1 carried forward. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 carried forward. This becomes 8. So 1816325. This is the answer. The same method should be followed in multiplying this. You can note this question. You can solve it little later. Multiply 7316253 by 2435. Next questions are 10201 multiplied to 132. 98357 multiplied to 2904. Now I will move on to division. We all must know that division is same as repeated subtraction. Here the question given is we need to find the value as 5 by repeated subtraction. In the repeated subtraction, we subtract 5 from 25, we get the result as 20. Now 20 minus 5, the result is 15. 15 minus 5, the result is 10. 10 minus 5, the result is 5. 5 minus 5, the result is 0. Now I am stopping my subtraction at this stage. Here, count the number of steps we have done. We have subtracted 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So the result is 5. This 5 means that 5 times we have subtracted 5 from 25. When 5 is subtracted from 25, we get the difference as 20. That difference we are subtracting 5 from that. We get 15. Once again, 5 subtracted from 15 is 10. Subtracting 5 from 10 is 5. Subtracting 5 from 5 is 0. The number of steps will give the quotient. Here 10 divided by 2 is 5. It means that 5 steps are involved in this subtraction. That is 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Here there are 5 steps. So the quotient obtained is 5. Every time we do not follow this repeated subtraction. The reason is when the larger values are given, so many times subtracting that will become difficult. We follow direct division. This division is called as a inverse of multiplication. This you must remember. It is inverse of multiplication. Division is a inverse method of multiplication. Here look at 12 times of 10. It is 210. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is when 210 is divided by 10, we get 12. The same 210 divided by 12 will give 10. When product of 12 and 10 is known, we can express them in two different ways. Likewise, we shall express the second one, 125, obtained from 25 and 5 in this manner. Here 125 divided by 5, we should give the result as 25. This is the first extract. The second extract is 125 divided by 25 is 5. When we do the actual division, we get 25. If 125 is divided by 5, we get 25. When 125 is divided by 25, we do get 5. You must know this relation, the relationship between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. This you should know. Dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. We have to divide this particular number by 2768 and we need to check the answer. To do this, we have to follow actual division. In the actual division, we will write this divisor 2768. Then we write the dividend in this way, 86228364, and we have to search for the quotient and the remainder. This is like we have to try 2768 you multiply with 3 and 2768 you multiply by 4. Which is the number which is nearer or closer to this number, you need to write here. Suppose if I take 2768 and I will multiply 3, I get 8304, that is closer. Suppose if 2768 is multiplied to 4, we get 11,072, which is larger. So 2768 has to be multiplied by 3. We get 8304. So 3 times it is 8304. Now you go for subtracting them. Here 2 minus 4 is not possible. 12 minus 4 is 8. Here 1 is given, so 1 remains. 1 minus 0 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we have to take the digit from here. This is 8. This particular number 2768 is smaller compared to 3188. So it is 1 time. It is 2768. Subtracted, 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. Then 1 minus 7 is not possible. So 11 minus 7 is 4. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Now you take 3 carried forward. Again 1 time. Let me write it this side. I'll write 4203. When it is multiplied 1 time, it is 2768. Now subtract. Here we are subtracting. 13 minus 8 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 11 minus 7 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now 1435 is smaller compared to this. So we will consider one more digit from here. 6 I have taken here. Now we have to search for the number. When I do 5 times, it is possible to divide. What is 2768 multiplied to 5? This will be 13,840. 13,840. Now you subtract 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. 13 minus 5 is 13 minus 8 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we have to take this 4 along with this. Now it has to be 1 time because 2768 into 2 will be 5536. So it is 1 time. It is 2768. Subtract it once again. It is 6. Now 5 minus 9 is, sorry, 5 minus 6 is not possible. 15 minus 6 is 9. 10 minus 7 is 3. Here 5 minus, so 1 is given, so 4 minus 2 is 2. 2396. In the chat box, you are asking, sir, tell in Hindi, tell in English. Somebody replies that it's English medium school, math should be taught in English only. See, these things you don't discuss. I already said you earlier that whatever class we are making, this will be available on YouTube. It becomes difficult for us to switch over to other language and teach. If you are there physically in the school, then we could have thought of teaching you in other languages. Since it is to be uploaded in YouTube, we cannot tell in other language. So better is you repeatedly see the video and you try following that. In this question, we need to verify. So this particular formula should be used. In this, identify the quotient. The quotient here is 31151 and the remainder is 2396. Rest of the things are known. Divisor is the given number from which we are dividing. It is 2768. This is divisor. This 86228364. It is dividend. So when we want to check the answer, we have to revert back. To check, we need to revert back and solve it. Let me remove this part. Yes, let me write the answer once again. We use this dividend, which is 86228364, which is equal to divisor. The divisor is 2768. Quotient is 31151 plus remainder is 2396. When we multiply these two and add this, do we get this number? That is what we need to check. 2768 has to be multiplied to 31151. You can try it out. This will be 86225,968 plus 2396. When we do addition of this, we obviously get this. This method will be same for any division. We need to get the left hand part equal to the right hand side part. This is a simple one I am giving you as homework. This 682592 to be divided by 32. Whatever the quotient and remainder we get, we have to use that formula and we need to verify. We need to verify that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. First question, the previous question I had given a larger values. Here it is smaller value with 32. It should not be difficult to divide. Okay, another 3 minutes are there. You may ask doubts. I am unmuting you all. If you are having doubt, one by one you can
Sir, please
ask.
tell once again, sir.